I'm Deirdre Morhet, and I'm here today to share Far Superior Thought.
So, when starting a business or even running a business regularly, I get asked a lot, what's the point of financial statements to my business and how are they going to help me? I get them all the time. I don't know what to do with them and I don't know what it means. And I spend a lot of time really teaching people how to read financial statements for their business and what they can do for them, even if they're just a small business. I mean, for one, it's going to think of it like a scorecard. It's going to tell you the overall health of the business. So you can see a snapshot of all your income to date or over a month or over a period. And then you could see what your expenses are and your net income looks like. So that'll give you an idea of like, okay, I've been running this for a while. Is this even profitable? Should I keep doing it? So that's going to tell you like the overall health of the business. Secondly, obviously, it's going to measure is your profit. So you may be taking in some income and spending a lot of money, but it's important to know that financial statements aren't like checkbook registers. Just because you spent it doesn't mean it's a tax deductible expense or that it's an expensible item. Sometimes when you buy capital assets, for example, a truck for your pest control business, that's not, I deduct $30,000 for that truck right then and there. It goes on the balance sheet. So you have two things playing against each other that really help you determine what your profitability is going to be. And that has obviously an impact on taxes at the end of the year. Three, management, health. I always tell people that are running a business, if they're not looking at numbers, I don't know how they manage their business because that's telling them, is it productive for me to add another truck to my pest control business? Because if the profit margins aren't there and you haven't established that, then you shouldn't be making gut decisions like that. The actual business trends are going to tell you when you need to do that. So using that's really should be really important to managing the business itself. It's also going to show you trends. So if you have a business that it could be a restaurant or some other type of seasonal business, you can actually look at, okay, what's my first quarter look like to my second quarter, or compare the first half of the year this year to the first half of the year last year and look for trends. Are you growing? Are you declining? Are you spending more, spending less? So really evaluating those trends and ratios really give you a lot of information on where your business is going in the future. And obviously, the last one, a lot of people like, it shows if your business has got value. Is it worth anything? Someday you're going to want out. You might want to sell. You might want to get rid of the business. And you don't need to just close your doors and walk away. There's usually something of value there that might be worth something to someone else to purchase. So these financial statements are going to be really important in that process as well in determining value and ensuring that you can actually sell the business.